Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. I got so many goodies sent to me from JudyDoll, which is one of my favorite, probably favorite Chinese beauty brands. You guys have heard me talk about it for so long and I have no lip product on, so I want to start off with a lip product. We're just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. These are the two that I want to share with you all. Outside packaging. I picked out the shades G02 and G04. Oh my gosh, it's here. Okay, let's swatch it. Look at how gorgina. This is in the shade G04. I'm back and I feel so much better because I have lip product on now. It just instantly adds so much to your makeup look. Perfect kind of juicy, healthy red color. And it's perfect for every day. So this is the first one. Let's swatch the next one. G02 should be like a more tan color. So there we go. I mean, this one is just so beautiful too. That is what the color looks like. Very nice light tan shade. It is so gorgeous and just perfection for every day. The prices of their products are so good. They're like drugstore style. If you guys remember, if you guys are like Gen Zs and remember going to the drugstore to pick out makeup, it's literally that. But the quality is just like through the roof. It's amazing. So this product, I just want to quickly share. I don't want to talk about it too much because I don't know if I've mentioned on this platform, but I've definitely on other platforms. I'm obsessed with this. This is the JudyDoll Slim Liquid Eyeliner in black. Just the most fantastic liquid eyeliner I've ever used. I'm wearing it today, but like this is from me buying it myself. Like I have repurchased probably like 10 of these. Like I'm not even kidding because I buy it in batches. They're so affordable. Putting one in every one of my makeup bags, like it's that amazing of a product because the pen is so fine. Like let me share with you guys how fine this pen is. Let me just, so you can do like obviously a thicker line or a thinner line. Like the pen is just so fine. My favorite eyeliner of all time. The pen is so fine. Blush palette. Are you kidding me? This is the JudyDoll blush and highlight palette in the shade 04. Let me just, so yeah, this is the color right here. This is in the shade 04. So you've got, what a gorgeous color. I just added a little bit more of the cream blush on that color. So that's what it looks like on my cheeks. If you can kind of see the before and after, it is so gorgeous. It looks like more like fig colored in there, but honestly on your face, like on my complexion, it just looks really nice and natural. I'm obsessed already. This is so nice of a palette. Highly recommend. And then I've got this Play Color all-in-one palette for your face. Love that. This is what this palette looks like. She's sealed, so I'm just not gonna open it. It's got a gorgeous array of like taupes and shimmers and sparkles, and I mean, you've got like the most perfect brown for like a crease color and nose contour, some shimmers, just beautiful blending colors over here, darker colors for like eyeliner, some shimmers over here, and I think this is just such a great face and eye palette. Like honestly, this color might be a really good little blush. That could be a bronzer. It's just so versatile, and I love that about JudyDoll. And then we've got this palette, which is the most beautiful, like look at those colors, blush color. So this is like another kind of blush kind of face palette. You've got two blushes, you've got a base, a main color, a deeper, what they call jiashin, and then that is just a shimmer. I mean, these pinks on your skin, like can you guys just imagine how gorgina these colors are on the face? Like obsessed. My favorite palette of all time, favorite ever, cannot go wrong. This is the JudyDoll contour palette. It's amazing, it's the best. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys are probably not familiar, or I'm sure you guys are probably familiar with this product. In the Western world, you've got your shimmery highlighter, you've got like a matte, you know, beige-ish highlighter, perfect for just blending out muddy spots from your bronzer and your contour. These are the most perfect colors. You've got contour, you got a bronzer for kind of like that warm vibe, and then a little bit more cool tone, so perfect for chiseling out that nose and jawline and whatnot, and then that's just for kind of deepening that the crevices and providing that warm golden glow. And I just am obsessed. The highlight is amazing as well for nose, for your brow bone, for your cheekbones, and then that is just a really great kind of cleaning up color, and I'm just so obsessed with this palette. It is the all-in-one. It's 4 colors that you need for your face. You don't need any others beside this. seriously, and it just does the job. So I love this so much. This is the in shade 01. This is the JudyDoll Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm obsessed. I'm not sure, no, I have one more product, but I wanted to do best for last. Last product that I wanted to share with you all is mascara. So I've actually never tried out a JudyDoll mascara before. This is the JudyDoll Iron Mascara. So, oh my gosh, look at how like cool and futuristic the packaging is. So this is what it actually looks like. I mean, gorgeous. Like all of JudyDoll's packagings, all of just Chinese beauty brand packaging as a whole, I'm obsessed. And so this one is just really, really cool. It's silver, it's gunmetal. And let's take a look at what the wand looks like. So Iron Mascara, it says right here. Oh my god, that is so cool. Actually, I like to use falsies, so I will try this out with falsies and let you guys know. But I mean, right off the bat, this is so cool. This is in the shade black, and whether you just like, you know, put on mascara and also on the other end putting on falsies, I think this is a fantastic option to lengthen your lashes, to add that volume, to add that depth and color and shadow. So I'm really excited. This is in the shade 01 black. I've never tried out JudyDoll mascara, so I'm really just looking forward to seeing how it works. But based off of my experience with their eyeliner, their contour, their blush, their lip products, I love their lip products so much. Oh, and I also have their brow pencil. Their eyebrow pencil is phenomenal as well. If you need a really like thin eyebrow pencil, like if you like that, an eyebrow pencil, definitely check out JudyDoll's because it's fantastic. I think that's all. Oh, I also have like their duo blush palette. I have like the pink and blue one because there was like actually a trend in Chinese beauty where if you use a blue blush, it kind of counteracts against, you know, dark circles and orangish purple and that type of stuff. So blue is actually really helpful to kind of get rid of your small lines. Like literally add a little bit of blue blush on your small lines and it automatically disappears. So that's fantastic as well. I'll just link all the items that I like. Not affiliated, not sponsored. I just got some items sent to me from JudyDoll, which I cannot be more thankful about because it's literally my favorite brand. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't. I feel like everyone around me has. It's just such a great price, and the quality that you get is, I don't even know. Like, it's just stunning. So that's that. I think I've raved about them enough. You guys know my love for them. So I'll leave you guys here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Go check out my other social media platforms, which are always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day or night, wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.